and welcome to the Catalyst Condo video blog. Today we're going to have a great chat about proactive condo board management for the year ahead. So chances are your condo's annual general meeting is in the near future. Does your board have a plan in place to make sure your condo community, condo management, and condo corporation are all set up for success in the year ahead? If not, don't worry. That's what we're here to discuss, making sure your year ahead in condo management is awesome. First things first, drum up a plan. That's right. Setting up an annual action plan is crucial for boards to sort out all the details of the year ahead. This plan is a public board document and should be made available to all your condo owners. In fact, we recommend attaching your annual action plan directly to your AGM minutes so everyone is privy to the clarity of the year ahead. All right, everyone's on board that we need a plan. But what do you put in it? Glad you asked. Now, first and foremost, include a review of your building's reserve fund study in relation to what your condo community's priorities and action items are for the year ahead. This allows you to sort out and arrange necessary contractors and budgets for upcoming projects. So why do we recommend this? Well, often by booking early, you are sometimes able to lock in lower cost price guarantees and ensure you get to work with the contractor you prefer in the timeline you want. There's nothing worse than needing work completed and you are unable to work with your favorite contractor. More importantly, your board's plan should include a breakdown of the seasonal considerations that you'll need to act on. In winter, focus your plan on preparing for the warmer weather in the spring. Items to plan could include transitioning from snow removal to regular landscaping and outdoor upkeep, booking one-time tasks such as parkade sweeping and maintenance or yearly spring cleanup, or coordinating any subcommittees associated with spring happenings, such as social activities or community garden care. In the spring, focus on the summer and what your condo board needs to do to organize any upcoming summer renos. We also find this a handy time to remind residents about balcony bylaws and considerations. For instance, if your building does not allow skis, sleds, or other seasonal items stored on balconies, remind your residents about finding alternative storage solutions to remain in line with the bylaws. In the summer, even while you're enjoying all the sunshine and outdoor fun, your board still needs to prepare for fall. Throughout the summer months, items condo boards often action here include arranging how to put the community garden to rest during the colder months, coordinating any fall cleanup projects that need to be completed, such as the removing of annuals from common area flower beds and arranging leaf pickup, or sending out any early reminders for Halloween lovers about any decoration bylaws. In the fall, it's time to look at what you need to do to prepare for winter. Actions many boards take between September and November include sourcing quotes for snow removal, highlighting bylaws about bicycles and balcony storage, informing unit owners about how to avoid pipes freezing in their units, and coordinating any winter maintenance items such as roof repairs. And just like that, we've come full circle. Your action plan is the best thing your board can do to set your condo community up for success. Of course, if you're curious about how to start setting up your own action plan, feel free to reach out and chat with us over at Catalyst. Action plans make all of us happy.